today we can't see anything.
Yeah, we can't. We're trying healthy food.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna guess. And
We're not right now.
And we're trying new lunch, and I can't see what is it.
Yeah.
So Lila goes first. All of us?
Yep. All right. Open up and see what it is.
Oh, yeah, I don't like it. Ew.
Talk about it. What is in there?
It's spaghetti. Spaghetti and hamburgers. So I got one. How about spaghetti, green, and sauce? Nope. No.
That was good.
Nope. I'm gonna try just the green with the spaghetti. No. I very like it, but I'm not trying the red. I very love all of them.
Me too.
Not me.
I'm just eating the whole thing.
What is it? What's in there?
Green. I like that.
Green spaghetti versus spaghetti and hamburgers.
No.
Yeah, I said
bacon.
that.
It's bacon.
Oh, I like it. It's spaghetti
I
and
so
bacon.
like it.
Mm-hmm.
I
very like
I very
it.
like it. I very like all of them because the bacon was very good. I want to eat more. I'm going to eat all and more and more and more and more.
I love it so much.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Welcome. Thank you for our videos. Bye.